accountability and defending your rights against the police specifically, and the government generally, are difficult and dangerous tasks. Your right to watch the government and record what you see is a natural right that is protected by the Constitution, and it cannot be taken away by the government.
Welcome back for another body cam video. This footage is from the night of January 12th of 2019. This is another night that I was joined by Republic and 420RU2 for some cop watching. While we were out, we heard about this incident on the scanner. Links to our live feeds and other videos I have done from the Order Followers body cams are in the description below. The other body cam videos are what happened before we showed up to film. And I've been sitting on this body cam footage for a long time, and I kind of forgot about it until recently. Keep in mind, the Spokane Police Department had just had an officer shoot a man in the back 5 days before this. And then a little over a month after this incident, they used very questionable de-escalation techniques and excessive force, including a canine attack dog. And a link to that video is also in the description below. When you see how we are treated and what these order followers say about citizens exercising our freedom that aren't hurting anyone, damaging or stealing anyone else's property, or defrauding anyone, it should make you sick. Please, my friends, hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and for the love of all things decent in this world, share this video with everyone you know and have a conversation with them about how we can't accept this behavior from these enforcers.
Actually, if you turn on that block, just a block east of where we first were and go south, that's where they're at.
I'm coming up behind them now. Following us up,
I'm on my way.
No, we're fine. Don't be doing that. I'm filming you with my legal right, and you better to quit shining that light on me. What's your name and badge number? Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge numbers. Name and badge numbers. Name and badge numbers. Yeah, I want their name and badge numbers. Because they're shining a light in my camera, and that's against the law. That's breaking my First Amendment right. Then you get that light out of my camera and give me your name and badge number, because I am filing a complaint against you. Hey, don't be a dickhead. I have a First Amendment right to film you, and you're breaking my First Amendment right by shining that light in my camera. Get a supervisor here. Hey folks, we got a cop here being a dick, shining his light in me. Look up that thing.
Oh, that's impressive.
Hey.
You're on video too.
Hey, quit being a dick. Because, hey, we're going to file complaints against every one of you. Get that light out of my camera. You're breaking my First Amendment right. Hey, I don't have any weapons. So I don't have any weapons. Hey, I was walking down a public sideway and I have a right and I'm not causing any issues. Now, we're here to record you. I'd like to talk to your sergeant. Oh, yeah, you're a dick and you won't say your big name and badge number like you're supposed to. Name and badge number.
He's fine where he's at. It's a public road. We're not of any harm for you guys or anything. We're just here to film. Carry on. So can you. We're good. Sorry guys, gotta turn this around. I don't know what happened.
The good thing is you're on video too.
Yeah, we know that. Don't worry, I know how to get your guys' video too.
That's fine. That's fine.
Why don't you guys be professional?
You're breaking my First Amendment right.
I just want to make sure you're not going to come at us with any type of way we can't.
Hey, don't worry, you guys are the ones shooting people, buddy. You guys are the ones shooting people.
So you come into our scene and cause an issue. And now instead of me dealing with this guy, now I'm dealing with you. You're here to start the whole show.
We're here to record you. You guys provide the show, bud.
I'd like to talk to your sergeant.
You call him, he's requesting it.
Say your name and badge number like you're supposed to.
You're really not worth my time. You're not going to come down here
Name and badge
and fill out
number.
all this stuff.
Spokane Police Cop Watch.
Name and badge number.
I'd be more happy to give it to you, but
Name and badge number.
Well, sir, since you said you have cameras, we'd like to take a look at that, and it's really hard to get it without having your name. We need to be able to identify you so we can check up on you. That's what we do. We're members of the public that pay your salaries, sir.
Yeah, we're keeping you guys honest. We're making sure you're not violating this person's rights like you are honest.
Good for you. You're doing a good job.
Believe me, we're gonna make an example of you, asshole.
Sorry about that. I got cut off, guys. This guy's hassling Dean over here at 420.
You're on YouTube right now, asshole. But I'm definitely filing a complaint against your happy ass. You tyrant.
It's enough with the lights, y'all. You don't need to be shining them up at us. You don't need to be shining them up at us. It says right there's a warning right on your flashlight that says don't shine it in people's eyes. It literally says don't shine it on people's eyes.
No, you come.
How about you act like a professional? You're the one getting paid. You're the one getting paid.
Don't worry about it. Keep a safe distance.
Hey, we're here doing some business. You either need to keep on going.
Name and badge
If you want to
number.
stand over there and film us,
Name
you can,
and
but
badge
I'm not going to
numbers.
sit here and argue with you.
Name and badge
Okay,
number.
we're dealing with this right now.
Name and badge number. Yeah, I want their name and badge number.
Times 2.
Because they're shining a
Good.
light in my camera, and that's against the law.
Well, you're also.
Breaking my First
Sir, stay in that corner so you have a safe distance, please.
Then you get that light out of
Why
my
don't you go
camera.
right over there? Just go
And
right
give
over
me
there.
your name and badge number.
You head right over there.
You're not the one running the show. Don't be a dickhead. I have the First Amendment right to film you. And you're breaking my
44, copy that. Can you confirm, please?
Thank you.
Josh, you're under arrest for your warrants, okay?
Get a supervisor here.
Shoplifting and
If you want it, you can have it. Otherwise, I got this felony and that felony, so.
it's fairly cooperative.
Yeah,
You're
I-
gonna kick him loose.
I don't have any issues with kicking him
The good
loose.
thing is you're on video too.
Yeah, he does.
Hey, we're gonna file complaints against everybody.
I nailed Alicia Ford though.
Yeah?
You around there?
Uh-uh.
She's got a face tat. That's a holy shit.
Stay with man, fish the car. What's up?
Well, warrant, you're not calling for free trial service?
I gotta look at it again. This guy was yelling and screaming, so I didn't hear it. But you got a felony warrant. I'll read it to you at
Now
jail.
instead of me dealing with this guy, now I'm dealing with.
Those are a pair of gloves right there.
In here, but you don't have any.
Yeah. Say my name?
Yeah, the two guys, big cameras right here. You know the ones that we're always talking about?
Oh,
The ones that-
keeping us honest.
Yes.
Unintended consequence or something like that. Deplorable consequences or something. I don't know. Questionable authority. That's it.
come down here.
Name and badge
Throw out
number.
all this stuff. So.
Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
I'd be more than happy to give it to you, but the way you're acting, I'm not going to just apply to everything you say.
Name and badge number.
Good for you. You're doing a good job. You really concern us. Oh, I'm worried. Okay. All right. Enough with the lights, y'all. Have a good night, gentlemen. Have a good night. Well, that's impressive. Yeah, keep flipping us off. That's act like an adult.
You act like an adult, you punk.
We out of here, guys. Okay.
I'll wait around till they go. Till we go. Yeah. Are you doing that? Shame on you. Looks like he's still filming.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Need a better flashlight.
This thing wasn't stolen, huh?
No, it's old Matt Hutchison's car.
Oh well.
Okay. This isn't my first rodeo.
Which one got arrested? Which one of those two? The county ended up dumping in throwing down in a ditch and arresting him.
Who?
These camera guys.
Oh, I don't know. City needs to do that more often.
Huh?
City needs to do that more often.
Yeah, like straight armbarred him and seized his camera as evidence for obstructing.
Yeah, good on him too.
Well, it was almost there, you know, to that point.
Huh?
He circled around that corner.
Oh, I don't care. I got good rapport with them.
He wants to stick around because these monkeys. Just until I search this. They're a little more aggressive tonight than they normally are. If you want, you can turn that spotlight on and put it on.
I think it's adorable. I think it's adorable. It's cute.
Shine your light in me.
I don't know if it's poop or not, man.
Air pressure?
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and share it with everyone you know. Find us on Twitter as well as censorship-free platforms like BitChute and Steemit or DTube. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to smile at someone you don't know every day.